Hi! In this video, you'll see how to create decentralized Cardano Wallet. Go to atomicwallet.io, download the file and install the app. Open it and click on the New Wallet button. Enter your password to encrypt your mnemonic seed. Get your mnemonic phrase and save it in a safe and secret place, and then click on the Start Using Atomic button. And here you go! Now you can manage your ADA in a decentralized way. All private data are stored in an encrypted manner on your device and never leave it out. Only you have access to your private key, so your money is totally under your control. You can buy crypto with a credit card and exchange your assets right in Atomic Wallet interface with a built-in exchange service, or in decentralized order book with Atomic Swap. Claim AWC tokens by leaving an email in the airdrop tab. Download the app now at atomicwallet.io and enjoy decentralized power.